For about 60 years, Dr. Munagi Yoshitaka had a dental office right here where the federal building now sits. He arrived from Japan in 1922 when this whole area was known as Japantown. Dr. Yoshitaka set up his practice and married Toshi Nakano in 1924. She died tragically just 8 years later. But Dr. Yoshitaka still had his son, Toichiro, who attended Ogden High and was editor of the school paper. At age 19, he volunteered for military service just after World War II and was stationed working in intelligence at California's Fort Ord. Soon after, he was reported killed in an accident, hitting his head on a rock in Monterey Bay. To stave off grief, Dr. Yoshitaka took to keeping canaries. Training, breeding, and competing with the songbirds all over the country became his life's passion. His dental office was filled with trophies and ribbons, hundreds of awards. The trick, he said, was to place a young canary next to an old one and let the birds teach each other. He lived in a simple home on Harrison Boulevard and continued practicing dentistry and bird keeping through the 1980s.